side in western Colorado, and we're with the woodcutter, Ben wood cutting Wolcott there. We're dropping some trees. We're going to cut a cord of aspen here so we can take it to Aspen. And I'm watching him drop a tree here so he can cut it up, and then I can load it up. That's my job here. Yeehaw. I'm the load man. I'm going to handle me a cord of wood here. It's my workout for this afternoon. If he lives long enough to get this sucker dropped down, he'll get to watch it fall. How's that? I better get the hell out of the way though, huh? It's liable just to fall right the fuck on me. Look at that shit. That's a tree right there, baby. Woohoo! Yep, here we go. See him back in there? See him? See him back in there? Just a cutting away. You can always tell when he gets ready to drop the son bitch though, because he'll stop and he'll push on us. Precision tree felling. That's what you call that. Alright, here it comes. Here it comes anytime now. That'll be good. There it goes. What's this shit? Coming down! How do you say? What is it? Traditional? Traditionally they say, timber! Wow. How's that shit, baby? Fucking firewood gathering in Colorado. We don't fucking fuck around here now.